did the fact that it took so long, did that in some way unravel its legitimacy in the eyes of Serbians, because they felt like, come on, this thing's going on forever? Did that countervail its positive effect, or was it a demonstration of exactly how carefully everything was being considered? How was that?
I think Mladic's hardcore supporters, whether the trial had been a year or had been 5 years, would not have budged from their position. I mean, Paul will know this far better than Rob and me, but you know, when you have a region in which narratives are so deeply entrenched, I think a trial like that, for people who come to it with very strong ideas of exactly what happened in that region at a particular time, they're not going to be budged. And you know, one could argue that the trial in many ways further entrenched those positions. I suspect in the short term it has. It's certainly the people that we talked to in the region, that was absolutely the perspective we came away with. And Paul could speak to this better than I can, but my hope in something like that is that these institutions, that their worth may not be felt in the short term, and they may not even be felt in the medium term, but in the long term, that one hopes. We were told it's the younger generation that they're the people you need to try to reach. They're the people that are not necessarily, you know, certainly not people in their 70s, certainly not people in their 40s, but people in their 20s. You know, that trial and these films are made for that generation, because the positions are just so strong.